Today, we're going to talk about the basic principles of lawn care and maintaining a healthy lawn. A healthy lawn requires regular care and attention. By understanding the basic principles of lawn care, you can keep your lawn looking its best. Mowing is one of the most important aspects of lawn care. It's important to mow your lawn at the proper height, as well as to mow at the right time of year. Fertilizing your lawn is also important to ensure healthy growth. It's important to choose the right type of fertilizer, as well as to apply it at the right time of year. Watering is another important aspect of lawn care. It's important to water your lawn deeply, as well as to water at the right time of day. Aerating your lawn is another important step to ensure healthy growth. It's important to aerate your lawn at the right time of year, and to choose the right type of aerator. By understanding the basic principles of lawn care and maintaining a healthy lawn, you can keep your lawn looking its best. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!